Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna install a DHCP server on the Windows server. Let's start. In Oracle box, open the Windows server, add rules, next, next, next. Select the DHCP server, add, continue, next, next, next. Checkbox restart. Yes. Install. After installation, you can see here DHCP server. Click on the tools, DHCP. Right click on this. I'm gonna create a new DHCP scope. New scope. Next. Name. Test scope. Description. LAN. DHCP scope. Next. IP address. I start IP address 172.10.100 and the address 172.20.10.150. I choose 24. Next, next, next. Be sure yes, the Java. I want that to be option. Next. IP address 172.20.10.1. Add. Next. You can see here the domain name, Nicole Local. Next, next, finish. I'm gonna test the DHCP server. Open the Windows 10 client machine. Start. Open the network. Change adapter. Right click on the internet. Properties. Double click on the Internet Protocol version 4. And here check the obtain an IP address automatically. Okay. Okay. Right click on the internet. Status. Details. And here you can see the IP address. DHCP enable. DHCP server. And DNS server. Close. Open the command prompt. And I'm gonna test the DHCP server. In Command Prompt, type the ipconfig, and here you can see the new IP address automatically 172.20.10.101. Close. That's it. See you soon.